Hello once again. So we are on the last part of the tutorial on computer system servicing NC2. So in this case we will be having the server backup and restore. Okay. So in a way that uh, we will perform backup, so we need to add features under the adding roles on the server. So in my case I am here on the server side operating system, so we will be adding new features. So I'm gonna be logging on the administrator's account. Okay, so here's server manager. So we will be uh, select the add roles and features, and then we'll click next, and then we'll go through with the features, and then select the Windows Server Backup. Okay, then click next, and then install. So same scenario, I will be posting the video for us to have the faster time of the video. Okay, so we are back. The installation is already finished, so I'll be closing this wizard, and then we'll go with the tools, and then we'll select the Windows Server Backup. So in our case, I'll be selecting specific type of folders nga ato lang dapat i-backup para dali lang mahuman ang pag-backup niya. So select the local backup dire niya under sa server. We'll wait until it loads. Okay, so after this, so wala pa tayo gipa setup din nga backup, so we're gonna select backup once, and then click next, and then what type of configuration do you want to schedule. So I will be selecting custom instead of full a server, kay pag i-backup niya so dako-dako siya nga gig. So select lang ta diri custom, then click next, then add items. So we will be selecting types specified folder only. So let's just say here under sa users ato lang ipang save diri ang kaning mga folders under sa desktop, documents, downloads, musics. So that's it, kana lang sa for the sake of tutorial. So click na to okay. Actually we can set as the full server backup, but it will consume time. So we will be just demonstrating these folders for the sake of demonstration, and then you could actually do this on the actual assessment, by the way. So for you to have an efficient way of performing the backup, so it would not consume time anymore. So after this, so we would select next, then choose the type of storage for the backup, so we'll be selecting next, and then destination of the backup. So since wala man tayo drive D, so mag-create lang tag remote shared folder, and then next, and then let's say type backup, and click next. Okay, so wala tayo shared folder dire, so mag-add na lang tawag another partition. So better to do this in advance na lang for you to avoid this partition. So di na ako i-close, ako stay still lang na siya for the meantime. Balikan natin siya afterwards. Partition. Okay, create partition format. So standby lang na siya. And then under C drive, so atuwa na siyang i-shrink ang volume niya. Supposed to be magod kay ano kinahanglan na to mag-partition sa katong drive, kay dito na to ibutang ato ang backup. Okay, supposed to be since kay gamay ra mo gud ang ato ang space, 60 gig lang siya. So matong wala na ako siya gi-divide. So ang total size before shrink, so is 60. So ang available lang na dire kay 41 gig. So butang na to dire anatay 15 gig lang, 15,000. So click na tong shrink. Then we'll wait until it finishes. Okay, so we already have here ang kanang 14 gig unallocated. So i-right click lang natin ni the new simple volume, new, next, and next, and then next, finish. So formatting, after that pag matutod sa folder, access na to this PC. So na natay new volume E. So mana na to ang gihimo ganiyang volume, mag-shrink na to. So balik ta dito sa backup at dito sa local drives, click next, and then select the previous anta. Okay, next, and then backup. No, wait, select na to ang, so mali na siya, click, cancel na to, balik ta, backup once, next, set custom. So let's just add items here, and then sa local DC dito sa users, and then administrator, select lang itong desktop, documents, downloads, and pictures as well. So okay, and then next. So we have already here nga available na nga drive, so E. So natay new volume E katong nagihimo to ganiya. So select na to na siya, and click next, and then backup. So that's it. So we are done with the backup. So we'll wait, and then afterwards we will be restoring the backup data. So we'll wait until it finishes. So, i-pause na akong video for the meantime. Okay, so we're back. We are done with performing the backup. So the status is completed. So next thing is we should recover the image that has been backed up. Now as you can see, if we would like to locate on the storage of the PC under the new volume E, so makita niyo dire na ano tayo, Windows backup image. Okay, this is the Windows backup image. Okay, so the way we need to recover this, so we should simply click recover and then select this server, and then just let it leave the default, and then what do you want to recover? Files and folders. And then so the folders that has been backed up are these folders, so we should just simply select this folders under administrator, and then click next, and then next, then recover. Okay, so it will recover on the specified destination where it came from the original folder. So status is completed, and then click close. Then we are done with the backup and restore. So we have here the time of backup and then the time of the file recovery. So sa assessment, pag mangitang aga assessor asa na tong imuhang kuno pag-backup ug ang pag-restore. So ipakita lang nato ni sa local backup. Pakita nato sa assessor nga kay sir naman ako backup and then na-recover na po nako siya. So descriptions are both successful. Okay? So that's it on the backup and restore. And then there are some tools that needs to be considered. So we need to maintain the operating system. So on the core, so there are so-called the maintain and what is that? Kinahanglan to i-maintain ang kanang computer system nato. So basahan sa nako sa nang na-dire. So we need to maintain and repair computer systems and networks. So under maintenance, kinahanglan nato scan pirmi ang ato ang drive. So saan man, so madura kag this PC. Syempre let's just locate the C and then right click, then we'll go with the properties, then we can simply select this clean up, and then we'll wait. Then on this window, so we should select everything here. So these are the junk files that wasn't been deleted, so we should delete this one or this files, and then click OK, then delete files. Okay, so it will be cleaning up the drive C. Then we're done. So after this, so we'll go with the tools, and then let's optimize the drive. Then let's check the C, and then click optimize. So since at this time, so di pa siya available, so maybe on your side available na siya, mo-optimize na siya. But these things are really not necessary. It depends if the assessor would ask you to do a scan and then a disk clean up and then defrag or optimize your drives. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. So the rest of the training would be the basics of the assembly and disassembly of a computer based on the hardware part. And then we will be having a crimping on the cables, which is straight through and crossover, and then performing a local network. So the local network is under this configuration during the installation from the start. So this would be the end. So I hope as you go along with the tutorial from the start, and then you go back until you get the right steps and procedures to be followed based on the tutorial given or being represented. Okay, so I hope you'll be passed on the assessment, and good luck. So that's all, and thank you.